Okay guys, back here with another video. I have got edelbrock AVS2 4-barrel carburetor with the electric choke. This should be, if you just have an edelbrock with the electric choke in general, it should also apply the same. If you have a manual choke, this shouldn't apply to you because the hole I'm about to discuss is already plugged up. So you have, oh well, let me go back. The issue I was having, I was trying to tune this carburetor and I noticed a vacuum leak on a brand new carburetor right out of the box, not a remanufactured, brand new carburetor. And it was right here below the choke. If you can see this hole right here, right there, it was sucking vacuum. So I got to reading around online, just did a quick Google search. A lot of people was telling me to plug that hole. I didn't think something was right about that. I ended up calling the tech support line, and he informed me that is a controlled vacuum leak. So controlled meaning it's supposed to be there. And I mean, he immediately shot that off. I mean, it wasn't like he had to go running through a bunch of pages of manuals figure it out. I mean, it's just one of the most common things. People just seem to think, oh, that's a vacuum leak, let me plug it off. But do not plug it off. The reason it's a controlled vacuum leak, and Edelbrock designed it that way, there's a coil on the inside of this electric choke. The electric choke, the air moves past that coil and it keeps that coil cool. If you plug that off, like some people have told me, you will burn that coil up and you will be replacing that electric choke. So do not do that. It is a controlled vacuum leak. If you have issues with your tuning of your Edelbrock carburetor, it's definitely not that. So especially if it's brand new, because I just thought that was so strange. It's brand new Edelbrock right out of the box and it was leaking. If it's a manual choke, this hole should already be plugged off. I'm not sure if I stated that earlier. So yes, controlled vacuum leak, supposed to be there. Do not plug the hole off. So if this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching.